What if I told you that your car's AC is lying to you? That the reason it's not blowing ice-cold air on a 100-degree day isn't because it's broken. It's because no one ever taught you this one trick? The truth is, 87% of drivers in the US are doing this wrong, and it's costing them comfort, fuel, and sometimes thousands in repairs. But here's the kicker. Doing this one thing, just once a month, could make your AC blow twice as cold, even in the blazing heat of July. Ready to know what mechanics don't want you to figure out? Don't blink. This video will change the way you drive forever. 1. Understanding how your car's AC actually works. To truly make your car's AC blow colder, you need to first understand how it works. Most drivers think, push the AC button, get cold air. But behind that button is a system as complex as a mini refrigerator on wheels. Your AC system relies on refrigerant, usually R134A or R1234YF, which cycles through the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, the condenser cools it down, the expansion valve lets it expand into a cold mist, and the evaporator pushes that icy air into your cabin. Sounds simple? Not quite. Because over time, several hidden factors sabotage this system. Dirt builds up on your condenser, reducing airflow. Moisture seeps into refrigerant lines. Bacteria grows on the evaporator coil. Even your cabin air filter can choke cold airflow without you ever realizing it. Understanding the basics helps us unlock the secrets pros use to make ACs feel like winter in July. 2. The shocking truth about cabin air filters. Here's something mechanics see all the time. Customers come in saying, "My AC is weak. It used to blow cold, now it's just meh." The first thing they check, the cabin air filter. This filter sits between your AC system and the vents that blow air at you. And when it's clogged, cold air can't get through, no matter how perfect the refrigerant levels are. According to Car and Driver magazine, over 60% of drivers never replace their cabin filter on schedule. Experts recommend replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year. Yet most people don't even know where it is. If your cabin filter looks like a dusty old rag, or is black with grime, it's choking your airflow. That clean Arctic breeze you're craving is being blocked before it ever leaves the dash. Solution? Replace your cabin air filter. It costs about $10 to $30 and takes 5 minutes. For many vehicles, you don't even need tools. Here's a powerful psychological motivator. Take out your filter and smell it. If it stinks, imagine what you're breathing every time you turn on the fan. Would you tolerate that in your home AC? 3. The hidden button you should use every time. Let's talk about something most drivers don't realize. The recirculate button. You know, the little icon of a car with an arrow making a loop? Most people don't touch it. Or worse, they think turning it off brings in fresher air. But here's the truth. Using recirculate in hot weather is a PRO move. When this feature is off, your car pulls in hot, humid air from outside, which your AC must cool from scratch. But when it's on, your system cools already chilled cabin air. That means faster cooling, less energy used, and colder air. According to tests by engineering teams at Toyota and Honda, using recirculate mode reduces cabin temperatures by 7 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, faster than using fresh air mode. So the next time you start your car, blast the AC and hit recirculate. Leave it on. You'll literally feel the difference in under 60 seconds. 4. Pro mechanic secret, the condenser wash. You clean your car's body, windows, and even your wheels. But do you clean your condenser? Here's a secret almost every dealership mechanic knows but won't tell you. Your AC condenser gets clogged with bugs, dirt, leaves, and debris over time. And when that happens, heat can't escape properly, and your cold air suffers. The condenser is located right behind your front grille. It looks like a mini radiator. When it's blocked, the AC system works harder, gets hotter, and delivers weaker performance. What can you do? Use a hose on low pressure to rinse your condenser fins every 3 to 6 months. You can also use a gentle degreaser and soft brush. Do not use a pressure washer. You could bend the fins. This one step can reduce AC compressor strain by up to 15%, extend the life of your system, and bring back that icy blast you've been missing. Real-world case. A 2018 Ford Escape owner tried this and dropped cabin temp by 9 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes with no refrigerant recharge needed. 5 AC recharge scams, and when you actually need it. Now here's where it gets juicy. You walk into a quick lube or chain shop and they say, "You need an AC recharge?" Sounds simple, right? Except most of the time, it's a total upsell. If your AC was blowing cold last month and isn't now, it might be a leak. Recharging it without fixing the leak is a band-aid fix that could ruin your compressor. Instead, follow this checklist. Blows cold, then gets weak. Check the condenser or cabin filter. Only blows warm air. Check for compressor engagement or refrigerant pressure. AC cycles on and off rapidly, possibly low refrigerant, but check for leaks first. If you do need a recharge, use a gauge and DIY kit with stop leak only if you understand the risks. Or better yet, visit a trusted shop with a dye and sniffer system to locate the leak. Never let a mechanic recharge your system without confirming it's not leaking, or you're just pouring money into the wind. 6. Bonus trick. Pre-cool the cabin the smart way. Let's say you've parked in the sun, the steering wheel's hot, the seats are boiling, and the cabin is an oven. You jump in, start the car, blast the AC to max. But it takes forever to cool. Here's a smarter way. Roll down all windows. Turn the fan to high, and don't turn on the AC yet. Let hot air rush out. After 30 seconds, roll up the windows and activate AC and recirculate mode. You've just dumped the worst heat and optimized airflow. It's a hack most luxury car owners know. You should too. 7. Final expert tips to keep it ice cold. To finish strong, here are 5 proven pro tips from certified ASE master technicians. Always start AC at low speed. This reduces compressor load and prevents shock to the system. Use AC regularly, even in winter. Keeps seals lubricated and prevents refrigerant loss. Park in the shade when possible. Prevents interior from becoming a furnace. Get AC checked every 2 years. Prevents small leaks from becoming big repairs. Don't ignore musty smells. It's often mold on the evaporator. Use a disinfectant spray made for HVAC systems. These tips extend lifespan, improve performance, and reduce energy use. More importantly, they make every summer drive cooler, smoother, and more enjoyable. There you have it. From a clogged cabin filter to the overlooked condenser rinse. These are the secrets that turn a weak AC into an Arctic breeze. Now here's where you come in. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's the worst AC fail you've ever experienced? A summer road trip gone wrong? A $1,000 repair you didn't expect? We want to hear your stories. And if you learned something new today, smash that like button and share this with a friend who keeps complaining about their AC. Subscribe for more pro car tips you won't hear at the dealership. Stay cool out there, and remember, when your AC blows cold, your whole drive feels different.